Assalamu alaikum, good morning, welcome back to my channel once again. This is gold chart. If you have watched my yesterday's video, I have given you resistance of 1862. Gold broke 1862 resistance and tested $1871. And again, if you have watched my yesterday's video, I have given you a support of 1848. Gold made low around 1850 and bounced back up to 1871. So I hope you have enjoyed the resistance and support in yesterday's video. Gold finally seems to be going up and it have entered in positive zone. I have already suggested in my yesterday's live stream that gold entered in positive zone above 1862. Gold is going higher because many countries are facing higher inflation now. Yesterday we received data from UK. They are they are having inflation above 4%. Their target of inflation was again 2%. So almost every country is facing higher inflation, which is pushing gold prices even higher. We all know that are gold is best bet against the inflation, and this is what exactly happening in gold prices. Participants are buying because of higher inflation. They are afraid that we may see more inflation in upcoming weeks, upcoming months, because central banks are doing not that they are not taking that much step to decrease the inflation, because they are much focused on economy rather than inflation as of now. So now, what is the resistance and what is the support in gold prices today? Let's find out. 1878 will act as resistance now. If market break 1878 and sustain above that level, then expect gold prices to test up to 1890 and 1900. Support at 1858 now. If market break 1858 and sustain below that level, then expect gold prices to test up to 1850 once again, and 1841 is also possible. Currently, gold prices are in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to silver. This is silver chart, currently trading almost at $25. Silver seems to be very tired as of now, and I think silver need to break the resistance in order to return to major positive zone. So keep an eye on silver if you are in buy or if you're looking to buy, because silver seems to be underperforming gold this time. So what is the resistance and what is the support now? Let's find out. 2484 will act as support now. If market break 2484 and sustain below that level, then expect silver prices to test up to 2460 and 2430. Resistance at 2535 now. If market break 2535 and sustain above that level, then expect 2570 and $26. By the way, Mcx levels I have given in this video at the end, so please make sure you watch full video. Let's move on to crude oil prices now, which are crashing. Two factor in crude oil is playing. One is, yesterday I have given you a support of $79. Market broke that support and crashed up to 77.20, as you can see. So our support was broken. Obviously it had to come down, because supports are meant to be the sign that if market broke support, then it should come down. Second is that President Biden has said yesterday that they have he have advised and I think ordered an inquiry regarding oil prices. He is saying that it needs to be investigated why crude oil prices are rising so high. Is it possible that companies are manipulating the crude oil prices higher? That is the second part which crashed the crude oil prices. Now, what is the resistance and what is the support today? Let's find out. Now $80 will act as resistance now. If market break $80 and sustain above that level, then only we will see some respite for crude oil buyers. Above $80 expect 81 and $82. Support at 76.30. If market breaks 76.30 and sustain below that level, then expect $75 and $74. Currently crude oil is in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to euro. This is Eurochart. If you have watched my yesterday's video, I have given you a resistance of 1335. As you can see, it is breaking 1335 but unable to sustain above that level. So what is the resistance and what is the support today? Let's find out. Then we will see pound, Bitcoin and MCX levels. So 1340 will act as a resistance. If market break 1340 and sustain above that level, then only we will see some rise in Europe. And above 1340 expect 1380 and 1400. However, a very strong support now stands at 1290. If market break 1290 and sustain below that level, then expect 1260 and 1230. Currently, as you can see, it is in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to pound. This is pound. Yesterday when sorry about that. Yesterday when I made the video, pound was trading around 34.10. Here it was trading, and I have given you a support of 3400. Even told you that till market is not breaking 3400, pound will remain positive. So that time it was just 34.10 and was in positive zone. It didn't break 3400. That candle is before I made the video. So it didn't even came till 3400 and bounced back almost 90 pips from there. So I hope you have enjoyed that levels. If you did, please give a like and leave a comment. Now currently pound is trading 34.94. So let's find out the resistance and support today. Today 34.45 will act as support now. If market break 34.45 and sustain below that level, then expect 34.10 and 33.80. Resistance at 35.30. If market break 35.30, then expect pound to test up to 35.70. Currently pound is in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Bitcoin, then we will see MCX levels. These are the levels I have given yesterday, and these are the levels are still valid for Bitcoin. You can screenshot those levels or you can even note down those levels. So now let's quickly move to MCX levels. Gold prices are trading 49,190 rupees. MCX gold resistance at 49,400, 49,400 resistance. Support at 49,020, 49,020 is support. I will update those levels around 5 p.m. when USD INR will close. You can find updated levels in community post by clicking the join button. Let's move on to silver. Silver is trading 66,345 rupees. Silver resistance at 67,200, 67,200 resistance. Support stands at 65,900, 65,900 support. If you have enjoyed this video, please do give a like. Also, I also live stream around 6:30 p.m. on my streaming channel. Streaming channel link is in description. And if you want to avail my paid and buy sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is flashing on your screen and also available in description. Now I will see you in my live stream in evening. Till then, take care. Bye bye.